Hello, I'm Esther. I'm a limited company contractor and I have set up Femme Finance as a blog just to help other women understand the things that can be quite complicated in the world of finance, especially when you are working for yourself. And today I'm going to be talking about how to find your UTR number, that pesky 10-digit number that you might be asked for when you're setting up a bank account or similar. So there are two actual potential UTR numbers that you could have. And first of all, I'll just explain what the heck is a UTR number anyway. It is a 10-digit number that HMRC used to identify you and your tax. So it stands for Unique Tax Reference Number, and you might actually have two of them. So you would have your personal tax number that's related to your self-assessment that you pay to HMRC on your personal income by every April that's due the following January. And then you might also have a unique tax reference for your business if you operate as a limited company, and there are different ways to find both of those numbers. So you're looking for a 10-digit number. Bear in mind, if you're a VAT registered business, this is not your VAT number. That starts with GB, and I think it's 9 digits, not 10. So for your personal UTR, let me move my face out the way. You are looking for a number on the top of your, if you've got your HMRC letters, anything about your self-assessment, it would be on there saying how much tax you're due. You can also log into your HMRC account and it will be in there, and the app as well under self-assessment. Failing that, if you're struggling to find it, you can phone the helpline, but you'll probably need your national insurance number to identify yourself, and you might have to wait for it as well. So I'd try logging on first. And also you will have, if you're logging onto the account, that's a bit of a pain because you've got your number to log into the account and then you've got your two-factor authentication, so have your phone handy. I've often had I've tried to log in and then it's sending a text to my accountant's phone, and it's taken a while to set all of that stuff up. But for your personal one, that's the best way to find it. Business UTR number, corporation tax paperwork. There aren't that many reasons why you'd need it unless recently I did need it because I set up a new Monzo business account and they needed it. So your corporation tax paperwork and your HMRC account may have it, but it depends if your accountant's registered you to actually submit your corp tax under that account. Mine hasn't, so I'm going to show you a little bit what that looks like. Oh yeah, sign me out. So if you're signing into your government gateway, you have a user ID, and I'm going to show you how kind of unhelpful it is. So this is what your tax account looks like. If you have not registered, the only way you can get it is they'll actually post it to your business address. So if you scroll down in help and contact, you can go to ask for a copy of your corp tax UTR, and then you'll see that they will send it you have to go through this form, and they will send it to your registered company address. So that's actually my accountant's address, and they'd send it there. So it's actually a lot easier if you pay for a fully managed accounting service as opposed to like just a year end. Just ping your accountant and ask them, and they'll be able to send it to you. So there you go. That's how you find your UTR, either your personal or your tax. Hope that's helpful.